Hey guys, I hope that you are doing well. My name is Selim Shaimi, and for an entire year, I'm doing one YouTube video per day related to SMMA. So I hope that you will like those videos. And if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you can do it and you can activate the notifications. And whenever you have a questions, you can go on my Instagram. And every Friday, I'm doing a poll on my story, and you can ask me the questions that you have. All right, and it will help a lot of beginners that maybe will have the same question as you. So today I wanted to talk about why so much SMMA owners are failing. And for me, it's very simple. All right. So I want to tell you a little bit of about my story before I started my social media marketing agency. I was at a tech startup. All right. I was working in a tech startup and I was doing in the sales team. So I was a business developer. I was a salesman. I was selling a tool. It was, how it's in English, SaaS, a SaaS startup. So we were selling a tool that were helping big companies. All right. So selling has never been hard for me in SMMA because I've been trained massively to sales. I've been doing phone calls every single day. Every single day, I've picked up the phone and I've made my calls. And I've done this for an entire year. And I've met clients, I've negotiated with big groups. I've generated six figures worth of contracts. It wasn't my money, but I generated that money for the company, for the startup, under a year. So I was just doing phone calls, just cold calling, meeting people, negotiating, selling. And for me, sales has always been very easy when starting my SMMA. It was very easy to get meetings with companies that were doing 1 million or 10 million, because I was focusing on companies that were doing billions. And I was meeting the director and then I had to meet another director and another director until I get to the decision maker. So the contracts were taking like 6 months to a year to close. And yeah, I've closed three or four of them. And so this is big, this is really high ticket. So selling has never been hard for me, and this has been my biggest strength when starting my own social media marketing agency. It has been so easy because I knew how to sell. So I've struggled with the Facebook ads part. I didn't know, that I need to build a team, that I need to grow my agency by, delegating works, by building systems and processes. So I had to learn this part of business, but I knew how to sell, and this is what saved my company. Because when you know how to sell, when you are a business owner, the only things that you should focus on is sales, negotiation, generating meetings, and closing them, and also focusing on systems and processes. So this is a part that I had to learn after, because of course when I was working as a business developer for this tech startup, I didn't have to focus on processes, systems, because everything was given for me. But now when you have your own business, you need to take care about sales, about generating meetings, about closing them, and also about all those systems, all those processes. And the lifeblood of every business is money. So you need to focus on money. Like I see so many business owners, so many SMMA owners, what they are doing is they are spending 6 months learning everything they can about Facebook ads, while not realizing that an agency is about doing everything. So you can't do everything by yourself. You need a team that will provide the Facebook ads for you anyway. Like if you want to start to grow to 6 and 7 figures, you won't do this by yourself. So get help, find a contractor that can work with you long term. Find 2 or 3 contractors that can deliver the Facebook ads part for you, while you focus on systems, you focus on processes, you focus on your customers, and you focus on generating meetings and closing them. So for me, this is why most agency owners are failing. It's because they aren't focusing on sales. If you aren't making money, just focus on generating more meetings, and I swear that you will get clients and start making money for yourself. Or it's not that hard to work for yourself. it's very hard, but it's very, very hard actually. But when you know how to sell, everything, life become easier because you can close clients, you can generate meetings. It's all about selling, guys. Trust me. Learn how to become a master at sales, become a master at negotiations, and you won't have any problems in life. All right, even convincing your girlfriend, convincing your boyfriend, this is just selling. Getting the girl that you want, getting the boy that you want, it's just selling. So when you learn about sales, you can influence anybody that you want. All right, and you can get whatever you want in life. It's just about selling. Trust me, take this year, take 2020 to learn everything you can about selling, and your life will become incredible. So trust me, guys. Again, this is my biggest point. Why so many agency owners are failing, because they are not focusing on sales and closing deals. All right. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, guys. If you are not yet subscribed, you can do it. And if you want also to start and grow your own social media marketing agency, I've done a 1 hour free training, and you can find the link in the description. All right. So take care, guys, and I will see you tomorrow.